Messages. They're probably from customers.
Which means people need our help solving their problem.
I knew we'd get lots of customers today. I even wore my lucky purple fuzzy socks. Bless you. Hey, let's check those messages.
Messages?
Oh, look. He wants to know who called us. Well, let's find out. Try again.
Yeah, okay.
That's weird.
It's not working. I think voicemail might be broken. Yep. It's broken, all right. Well, can you fix it? Sure. Just give me a shoe. Oh, a shoe? Here's one. A shoe. No, not a shoe. A shoe. Just give me a second. Okay. I'll just put this piece here. It's gonna work. And this piece here. And
Oh, wow. You sure are sneezing a lot, Dave.
I've counted 5 sneezes so far.
6. 7.
Wow. I can't stop. 8. I'm good. Okay.
Came to work this morning, had an itchy feeling in my nose. Can't get my work done, and I feel it right down to my toes. I'm sneezy and I'm wheezy and I'm stuffy, and I don't know what to do. Let's try to solve this problem and find out what's bothering you. Something's making me sneeze, won't you help me please find out what it is? Take a look at his nose, it's so red it might blow, it already did. Could it be Scott? I sure hope not. That flower pot, help that I Is it in the air? Or Mouse's hair? Sneezing everywhere. Something's making him sneeze, won't you help him please find out what it is? Take a look at my nose, it's so red it might blow, it already did. Brainstorm, sing a song, want to dance and play. Not today, there's something getting in the way. Brainstorm, sing a song, want to dance and play. Not today, got to make my sneezes go away.